Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Greg McCloskey from ForexLive.com, and this is a look at the sterling versus US dollar. Well, it's all coming to a head over the next 24 to 48 hours. Jeremy Corbyn from the Labour Party has looks to extend the Brexit from October 31st to January 31st. Meanwhile, Prime Minister Boris Johnson says, no, I don't want that. If they vote to extend Brexit to the January 31st, he's going to call for a vote for a general election on Wednesday. If two-thirds majority passes that, there will be a vote for our new leading party on October 14th. So there's lots of uncertainty still ahead of the Brexit that either is going to be October 31st or January 31st. Who's going to lead that charge? Is it going to be the Labour Party, or is it going to be the Tory Party under Boris Johnson to continue that move? So lots of uncertainty has the pound versus US dollar moving to the downside today. In addition to that, PMI data came out much weaker than expected, which has helped to push the pound to the downside. Now, what does the technicals say? What is the risk bias? Who's in charge? Where does that control move the other way? And if you take a look at the daily chart of the pound versus US dollar, we are obviously nearer the low price for the year, actually the low price for the last couple years. That level comes in at the 120.13.9. That was our low price in the month of August. From that point, the market started to move back to the upside. Now that move to the upside got above this old trend line right here at this point right here, and the market moved up, and where did we stall? We stalled at the 123.08 level. That was just above the 38.2% retracement of the move down from the June high right here to the August low right here. A correction of 38.2% retracement of this trend leg to the downside is just a plain vanilla correction. So what we saw in trading last week was that the sellers leaned against 38.2% retracement, plain level correction, sellers still in control, price moved down. Today we get the move further to the downside that took the price back below that trend line, that broken trend line at the 121.10 level. That level is going to be key to me from a technical perspective going forward. As long as the price remains below the 121.10 level, who's in control? The sellers are in control. If it moves back above that level, I'm not saying that the buyers are taking full control, that we've seen the bottom, the price is going higher from there. I'm just saying that the sellers have lost a little bit of control and the buyers have taken back a little bit of control from the sellers. It would take a move back above this trend line right here, back above the 38.2% retracement, in order to give the buyers even more confidence. Until then, however, the sellers are still in control. They just lose some control on a move above the 121.10 level. Now, if the bears are in control, where is the potential to the downside? Well, the first thing is to get below the low price from August. That level comes in at 120.13.9. Get below that level, and we have to go to the weekly chart here to look for other levels of importance. If I look at the weekly chart, we have a couple levels in play. One is this low going back to the month of January 2017. That low came in at the 119.85.9 level. That would be our next target on the downside. Below that is this trend line. This trend line currently comes in at the 119.65 level. So 119.85, 119.65 would be the next target on the downside, as long as the price can remain below the 121.10 level. Get it? Good. I want to move below that level, below those levels, and we're really into looking at these low price going back to 2016. That level went all the way down to 116.44 level. So there's a lot of room on the downside if the market should continue in the directional bias to the downside, keep the bears more in control. So once again, risk for the shorts right now, close risk is the 121.10 level. A move above that level, and we could see a move back up toward the topside trend line, back toward the 38.2% retracement. Absent that, the sellers remain in control. My name is Greg Michalowski. Good fortune with your trading. Bye-bye now.